Today, I will show you a 2-bedroom unit with lanai in Coron Towers at Palm Beach West, Pasay City, located in Met Park. So, it is located in the second floor. As you can see, this is the elevator. So, second floor is the amenity areas. As you can see. So, let's go. Unit 2F, 2-bedroom with lanai. 82 square meters. So this is the actual unit deliverables. Upon entering at the right side is the kitchen area with provision for your ref, for your overhead cabinets, then the intercom over here. So this is the actual deliverables. All units here in Palm Beach West with the fire extinguisher included. Provision for washer and dryer. So this is the living and the dining area, as you can see. The toilet and that. Very spacious. And the first bedroom. Synthetic wood flooring for this area, with big window for natural light and view appreciation. So, this unit is facing the main area, the Makapagal, as you can see. So, this is the lanai area. Yeah. You can put here some stuffs like table and chairs. Play area, or you can make this as your garden area as well. So let's go. Lanai area is up here. Very spacious, isn't it? Yeah, you can throw a party here if you like. It connects at the master's bedroom. So this is the master's bedroom. Particularly with its own toilet and bath over here. So this unit is still available. 82 square meters, 2-bedroom with lanai. So for more questions, or if you want to schedule an actual unit viewing, just let me know. Located here in Met Park, Pasay City, near Mall Location, Broadway Walk, Okada, Double Gravel Plaza. So we also have here rent-to-own promos, early move-in, and if you will pay it in cash, we also have big discounts. Yeah, so check out Palm Beach West today. Inquire now.